Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to recover deleted TikTok videos. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Want to point out that there is a time factor in here. You can't go back too far. It might only be 30 days or something like that, but we're about to find out. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is navigate to your profile page. Just select profile in the bottom right, and then select the hamburger icon in the top right. Select settings and privacy. Underneath content and display, select activity center, and then go underneath where it says recently deleted. Go ahead and left click on there. So any videos or posts by you in the last 30 days will appear here, and then you can recover them. So let's just say I deleted one of my videos on my profile here. So let me just go ahead and select this one, for example, and let me just go ahead and actually delete it. So now it has been deleted, and if we go back into settings and privacy, activity center, and go underneath recently deleted, you see the video in here. If you want to restore it, go ahead and open it up and select the restore button at the bottom. So people will be able to view and interact with it again. Select restore. Please note you have 30 days, like I said, for it to be restored. Otherwise, it will be permanently deleted. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.